There is something mentally wrong with that woman. Oh.
It doesn't make any sense.
There was like 2 really aggressive kisses for the first like 15 20
Yeah, you see the spit all over her.
Oh,
It was like wet.
It was like, it was like.
This is the debrief of Echoes at 1 p.m. Street.
It was like.
Yeah, oh god.
This is Mina's What's in My Sick Basket. Ice cream soup and strepsils and vitamin C. Boo, you whore.
Nothing's shaking in my ass.
Link down below for our OnlyFans.
Hey, wakey wakey. Turn to page 364.
90.
Oh, sorry.
Pay me like one of your French girls. Look at that intense focus.
She's never this focused in English class.
Can I get it? Being a big old turbine, big old Destiny Child's here. Mina's favorite place in the world is a Waterstones, and we've been in here for way too long. Is that another floor going up?
No. It's going down.
No, it's not. You know, she's trying to look through her books, but she's very confused. She's overwhelmed. There's like 5 floors in this place. This book class is a nightmare. But I'm getting a book, and I shall not be opening it until December because it is not Christmas yet. And for anybody who says that it's Christmas in November, then you're crazy. You're crazy. Christmas starts in December. Like I've always eaten the tail.
Someone's eating the tail.
What? It's crispy. It's so crispy.
So weird.
Oh, thank you.
That is a lot of salt. Review?
And we're not going to tell you where we are. It's Nottingham Station.
Oh, don't even say Nottingham. You could be at Leicester.
Just had a lecture and I'm walking back and it's actually really pretty in Loughborough today. And now when I walk into the house, I am going to scare both Mina and Olivia Wilde. Ooh, even though spooky season's over.
Oh, you were a Loughborough freak.
I am the Loughborough freak.
Hello, everybody.
I know. Wait, to be honest, I might want to give me another chance. Hi guys, take 2. We are in the car, bonfire night. Liz can tell you all about bonfire night.
We love bonfire night. It's when we burnt Guy Fawkes because he attempted to blow up the Houses of Parliament. So we have a bonfire, we burn a stick figure person made out of straw. And we burn them and then we have fireworks and dance around the fire. No, we don't dance around, but... And they're doing it here in Loughborough.
But we were stupid and did not get tickets in time. So we're gonna watch it from afar. It's very rainy. Take a minute to listen to the rain.
Silence.
At the Starbucks.
I don't like the fact that Christmas cups have already come out, I'm not gonna lie. It's just the start of November, why is Christmas out already?
Christmas! This is quite cozy.
It's actually very cozy.
Scout, have any words?
I'm super excited to watch some fireworks in the rain. And then I'm gonna go down to the pub.
Yeah.
Yeah, Scout has friends. Me and Liv don't. Yeah, Christmas is here. Ow.
Ooh, the fireworks. We found a spot underneath. And Bradley's here. I look like an egg.
Oh, waiting.
Liv looks like a rose.
I look like a penis egg. And we're waiting for the fireworks to be over there.
Today,
Then I'll shake her hand, bitch. Right, okay, it's now 03. Can they hurry up, please? Vill du berätta vad det där är för något?
På svenska.
Oh, no. You want to tell me what that is?
This is the shoe rack. Now, if you want to know the story about the shoe rack, is that when me and Mina were living our best lives in London, then we had a shoe rack. We left it there, so we had to order a new one, and that was like 6 weeks ago. But now we finally got it again, and Mina's convinced that it's not going to fit in the hallway because we have a very skinny hallway. But if you have positive optimism like moi, then you know it will.
The person has positive optimism. Hello? Also seen, what is it, 5 people die in front of them, so I don't really believe in that, because she's cursed.
This is true, I am cursed, but death has nothing to do with shoe racks.
Oh god, that's a lot of ass.
Oh my god, Mina, we got 2 fulls each, so we can stick them both up our ass at the same time.
No comment. Finish result. Woo! Are you happy with it?
This?
No, the shoe rack.
Yes, I love it. Oh. Be a lady, be a young beautiful. You can be a bee. I'm your mom, I'm your mom. It's right, but don't have to do it. I'm your mom, I'm your mom. You make me feel buffalo. Sing it loud. I can be a lady. You can be a girl. I can be a bee if you want me to. I can be a lady.
Okay, I never get screen time. Hi, my name's Mina. You probably haven't seen me because I never get screen time because I'm always the one filming.
Literally not.
But I promise
Literally
I promise. Wait.
Hi, my name is Scout. I'm always the one filming. Who am I? Oh, okay, you talk. I'll be the voice.
Hi everybody. As I said, once again my voice was stolen from me. But yeah, I hate Beyonce. I hate all.
I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I didn't do anything.
You look so cute.
Oh.
Cindy Lou Who.
Where are you, Christmas?
Okay, enough is enough.
Camera works, working.
Hi.
Sorry, wait, hi.
A beautiful morning.
There's a 30% chance that it's sunny today. I gotta do OOTD. Nana, you want to talk me through your outfit?
This is Other Stories. This is Urban. This is H&M. Those are Uggs. This is something. And then,
My skin is from the
face is-
Aryan race. Liv, OOTD.
okay, so today we're wearing a Zara jumper, ASOS jacket, Adidas, Adidas trainers,
On me. And you.
Jill's not wearing anything, so we don't really
Scout
care.
naked. What are you wearing today, Scout?
These are from a cute little lady in Camden. This sweater is from Mina's closet. And this is thrifted Napapiri. And my DNA is from my mom.
Oh, my backpack's done there.
We're gonna walk into a hellhole called the Union
I love it
and
there.
see if we're gonna meet at least
Oh,
50,000
my
people
glasses
we
are
know.
from Vision Express.
Nobody asked.
People who need glasses are blind. And why do they call it Vision Express if they can't even see?
They
where
can't
they're
even
going?
get to the building. It's a play on our
real me
poor
slap for
disability.
Is this you guys vlogging?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, hi guys. I will give you my subscribers, have them. Oh yeah, they're in drought. Not posted in like 2 years since
You're making a comeback right now.
I'm not. Hi, I'm so excited to be part of this.
Yes.
My love.
What are you doing on your iPad?
I'm doing work.
What's your her laptop?
I'm panicking. I have a lot to do. So people have already started on their next projects and I'm not even there yet. I finished those, Scout, have I?
Yeah, but sometimes it takes a long time for people to finish, and that's not that.
It's warming.
What you mean? What you mean?
Åh, det var dags.